Week number 4 for the Heli 2.0 versus the i1500, seeing what kind of output they'll do over the course of a month. And now, despite what it looks like today, the last few days, those things were booking it 24 hours. Had lots of wind the last couple of days. Now, our last check-in, we had 22 kilowatt hours on the Heli 2.0. We now have 29 kilowatt hours. It did almost all of that gain yesterday. Yesterday was very blowy. The i1500 was at 26. We're now at 40 kilowatt hours over the course of a month. And again, it did almost all of that yesterday. Whenever it gets really, really windy, that thing just really moves. Makes a lot of power. So over the course of a month, the Heli has done 29 kilowatt hours. The i1500, 40 kilowatt hours. I still think that the i1500 is just a killer deal for how much it costs. It's easy. It makes a lot of power. If you're buying a turbine, I think that's the best one to go with. Now, based on what I've seen, looking inside the i1500 versus what's on the Heli, I think that there's just so much potential there, and that we just can't get it with those blades. And that's a plan that's coming up, hopefully very soon. We are getting new blades for the Heli. I don't have a whole lot of details on them yet, so you guys will learn that as I learn it. I will film every little step along the way, but it is something to try. Hopefully let us get a little bit more power out of that thing. And now I've been asked a couple of times, what about some other stuff? Because I haven't had many updates on my DIY stuff. I haven't been able to come back and address this one. This one's still disappointing. I promise there's some new stuff coming. I might not be able to get it going before the end of the year, but there are some new neat things coming. My favorite little 700 watt turbine there, that's probably going to come down for something more interesting. Probably also that thing. I'll most likely put those up for sale. Great turbines, but hopefully some neater things going up there. So, in the meantime, I'm still going to do some weekly updates on these things. Hopefully I'll have some changes going on before too very long, so we can see maybe this Heli actually get to some of its potential. Anyway, that's it for now. You guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe. Thanks for watching.